This large passerine, approximately 20 centimeters long, from the thrush family is distinguished by its sharply contrasting colors. The male's plumage is deep black without any shade, contrasting with the orange-yellow beak which also circles around its eyes. The female has a duller coat, varying from gray to brown, similar to the fledglings. Common throughout European regions, the blackbird is a relatively solitary bird found at the forest edges near inhabited areas, where it favors hedges and gardens. It often scratches the ground in search of insects and worms, but also enjoys fruits such as cherries, blackberries, grapes, olives, and wild berries from hawthorn and ivy. From spring to autumn, the blackbird is accustomed to perching high to sing, varying its sounds and tones. In the Middle Ages, it was used in cooking recipes for its tasty flesh, especially after the grape harvest. Nowadays, its hunting is still permitted in some regions. If you come across a blackbird in the Broceliande forest, be attentive. Merlin the enchanter might be hiding within this bird's innards, for aren't magicians eternal? Ambrosius, known by his true name Marzin and by extension Merlin, had the ability to transform into a blackbird. Whether a real prince or a legendary figure, he is said to have been born in Little Brittany between 470 and 480, from an incubus demon and a sorceress. As he aged, he grew closer to the Breton bards or druids, to the point that he came to embody their type, an astrologer, seer, prophet, and minstrel who knew the art of metalworking. Among other things, he made the magical sword, so often sung about by the bards. Described by demonologists as a higher-class demon, Caym, who appears in the form of a blackbird, holds the title of Grand President of Hell. He sometimes takes on a human figure, appearing amidst a blaze holding a sharp saber. He is known for the eloquence of his speech and is considered the most skilled sophist of hell. His arguments can confound even the most seasoned logician. It is with him that Martin Luther had his famous dispute in 1517, which led him to draft 95 theses questioning the practices of the Roman Catholic Church, leading to the Reformation of the Protestant Church. Caym, who was once an angel, now commands 30 infernal legions.